Hi, happy springtime. As one of the things that I'm doing for my spring cleaning is spring cleaning on my aura. I am going inside to be aware of where within me I still have conscious or subconscious energetic blocks, guards, walls, or shields that are getting in the way of me having more love, greater health and vitality, more prosperity and abundance. So I am shedding my shields this spring as part of my spring cleaning. So if you were to take a moment just to feel within you, and maybe you could start with an area of your life that you're blocking, and maybe you don't even know yet that you're blocking. So often these shields are subconscious. Most of the time we don't even know that we're doing it. So consider, closing your eyes, maybe even touching your heart chakra and getting open and receptive and self-aware. Now, some people can even see them. So I can see within myself and others when I tune in where there's energetically a shield, guard, or wall. So see if you go within yourself, just reflecting, if that might be true for you also. And then, for simplicity, just form an intention to drop it, to release it, to be willing to decree and declare that you are safe enough to no longer need that. And if you'd like help with doing that, or help with whatever wound created that desire to protect yourself in the first place, to protect you from being hurt, or maybe there's a layer of unworthiness or undeservingness, reach out for healing. Or consider perhaps my Highly Perceptive People workshop this June 22nd through 24th. We talk a lot about dropping our conscious and subconscious guards, walls, and shields. So if you'd like to do some spring cleaning with me, I'd love to help you. You can see me at tiffanycano.com with, many blogs on my website, and reach out at admin@tiffanycano.com if you would like to schedule a brief call and connect with me and see if there's something that I can contribute to you. Alright, have a beautiful day. Happy spring cleaning. Bye.